mobile phones, new energy vehicles, energy storage systems. In the modern world, batteries with their full power play an important role in life. In the process of battery production, the slurry mixing is the front-end process. The quality of the slurry and the stability of the process is vital on the entire production process. With advanced slurry mixing technology and process, ONGOAL provides customers with one-stop solutions that creates greater value. The cathode material production line in the project adopts high-efficiency slurry mixing system with 1,600-liter high-speed dispersion mixer at the core. By inevitably infiltrating and dispersing, the efficiency is greatly improved. The main material packed in bulk bags passes through the bulk bag unpacking station and fed into the temporary storage metering silo by negative pressure feeding. The feeding is equipped with a micro-negative pressure to prevent dust lifting and meets the standards of a Class 100,000 dust-free workshop. The suction gun is designed with a double-layer structure and has air admission and anti-blocking function. In a separate suction workshop, the auxiliary powder passes through the suction gun. The material is conveyed to the auxiliary material metering silo by negative pressure feeding. After metering, all powders and liquids are fed into the production line's heart, the high-speed dispersion mixer. The structure of specific dispersion plate make the slurry inevitably enter the full infiltrating and dispersing state. The filling rate of slurry in dispersing area is increased to 100% without foaming and significantly improves slurry mixing efficiency and shortens cycle times. After the slurry discharged, the cycle is repeated between the circulation tanks until the required quality parameter values are reached. After filtering and removing iron, the mixed slurry is transferred to the finished product tank and conveyed by screw pump to coating transfer tank, with no foam and impurities introduced. The system is equipped with a main-line pigging function to achieve automatic pipe cleaning and avoid pipe locking and cross-contamination. From feeding to slurry conveying, the production control system can realize the integration of production management and process control. The whole system realizes efficient slurry mixing and low-cost operation and maintenance by circulating slurry mixing, helping customers win in the power battery market with differential advantages.